So hello friends, welcome back in my new video. So guys, today our topic is your sleep a nightmare? How to use your iPhone to get better rest. How to use your iPhone to get better rest. New features on the iPhone help you figure out a bedtime routine, encourage you to stick with it and monitor your progress for important sleep. Here's how to get started. Poor quality, inconsistent, insufficient sleep can make life miserable. While a variety of reasons cause sleep problems, one of the steps to figuring out what they are is to create a consistent bedtime and working routine. That way, you can begin eliminating factors and start collecting data about your sleep to look for patterns, clues, or just clear information to share with a health professional. As of iOS 14, iPhone has some sleep feature that can help. What do the iPhone sleep features do? These new iPhone sleep features do five things. Help you decide what your sleep routine should be. Limit which apps you use at that time. Automatically put your phone into do not disturb mode before you sleep. Wake you up an alarm in the morning. Monitor your routine, including when you pick up your phone overnight. What these features don't do is figure out precisely what time you fall asleep or track your every toss and turn. If you want that level of detail, you can get it by wearing an Apple Watch or other compatible fitness trackers overnight to monitor your sleep. If you don't have a watch or tracker, you can still use the iPhone sleep features. All you need is your iPhone. The first time you set up your sleep preferences, the app walks you through each piece that you can set up. There are three of them. Sleep schedule your bedtimes and wake up times for different days of the week. Sleep mode, which settings your phone will enable when you sleep, such as do not disturb and what apps will be available on your lock screen. Wind down, ways to reduce screen time before bed and encourage other positive bedtime routines. How to create a healthy sleep schedule. To set up a sleep schedule, start in the Health app and either tap on or search for sleep. You may also see an automated prompt to set up a sleep schedule in the Clock app the next time you set an alarm. This prompt sends you to the Health app and then walks you through all the setup steps. However, you get through the first step is to think about your nightly sleep in a big picture way by asking this question: How much sleep do you want to get each night? What time do you need to wake up? What time should you go to bed? On the screen, you see a clock and spanner that indicates the sleep and awake time you set. As you adjust them, the spanner turns orange if the total sleep time is less than your goal. For example, if your goal is to sleep 8.5 hours and you need to wake up at 6:10 a.m., then a bedtime of 10 p.m. will be insufficient. You can play with the dial to see how your bedtime and wake time affect your total sleep time. When you set your sleep schedule, you choose which days of the week you want it to apply. You can also decide whether you want an alarm at your scheduled awake time and if you want the option to snooze when it rings. Finally, you can create multiple sleep schedules if you need different routines for different days of the week. For example, if you take turns with early morning child care or you like to exercise early a few days a week, you can create a Monday, Wednesday, Friday routine that's different from the other days. Setting up sleep mode. The next sleep feature is called sleep mode. When enabled, sleep mode automatically puts your phone into do not disturb mode during your scheduled sleep time. It automatically disables do not disturb after you wake up. It's optional, meaning if you want to use sleep schedule and not sleep mode, that's totally fine. When do not disturb is on your phone, don't beep, ring or buzz for notification or calls unless there is someone you want to be able to get through. Additionally, if everyone calls you twice within 3 minutes, the second call isn't silent. That's why a true emergency call. such as from a hospital can get through no matter what. I hope guys you enjoy this video. So guys, see you in next video. Take care and goodbye.